Hi all, welcome to 3D Wings. Today, I'll show you how I made this kind of character outfits in Unreal Engine for MetaHumans. First, open the browser, search for the MetaHuman Creator website, open it, log in with your Epic Launcher account. Select your version, I'm using Unreal Engine 5.5, launch MetaHuman Creator, and wait a few minutes for it to open. Next, we'll create the new character. It normally takes 1 to 2 minutes, so wait until it connects to our Unreal Engine account. Since we need to import this character to Unreal Engine via Quixel Bridge, it is best to log in using the same account that was downloaded. This is how our interface will seem. For a new character, simply click the Create button. This will provide the character that is already there. We may select any character and modify it to suit our needs. Pick any character you like. Right now, I'm selecting the female character. I'll pick this Hana character and just click the Create option. These are the settings to change our MetaHuman, as you can see. I'm going to start by using the Blend option, which will help us design our character by combining face features from a variety of other MetaHuman presets onto your own MetaHuman. We will select our first character for Kendra and use it as our second character for Natalia. Simply drag and drop it. We will select another character, this time the Rosemary one. I've selected these 3 characters, and as you can see, we can modify the chin, nose, and everything else to suit our needs. You can see the points drag it, and you can see how our character has changed. We can even change the cheeks and even the forms of the eyes. Simply drag the spots to make the necessary adjustments, and then alter everything in your face. Choose the Move tool now, then modify the eye posture. These settings are completely changeable, so you may change whatever you want, any form you want. Go to the head options and select any hair that fits our character. Try out a variety of hairstyles and select the one that best suits our modified character. You can alter the color of your hair and add layers of different hues by turning on the ombre setting. You can also add highlights and adjust the color of your hair to your preference. Play with the tools until your preferences are fulfilled. If the hair color is good to you, proceed to the eyebrows and choose them. Next, select the eyelashes by going to the eyelashes. Since it's a female character, I'm going with large eyelashes. Select the color of the eyeballs now. This color should complement our character and look excellent. Even the skin tone can be changed, and we can even make textures. For example, we may create an old female character by combining the Rosemary character in blend mode, but for now, I don't require an old age character. We may build a tall, fat, or short character by just altering the body proportions. Additionally, we will remove the shoes from our character. We will select the chapals because we have changed the character's clothing. We will also remove the character's top and bottom because if we choose the top and bottom, our body will be missed. Now, load the Epic Game Launcher, add the MetaHuman plugin for the Unreal Engine version, and install it. If it isn't already in the library, go to the Fab website, add it, and then install it for the engine. After the plugin has been installed, simply launch Unreal Engine 5. Navigate to the plugins, activate the MetaHuman plugin, and then restart the engine. Now open the Quixel Bridge plugin in Windows. Select My MetaHumans from the MetaHuman menu, then download our newly created character. Export the MetaHuman character into Unreal Engine instantly. If any plugins are missing, simply enable them. A restart prompt will appear. Do it. Open the character blueprint after restarting, then navigate to the viewport. And then choose the feet, take off the character's flip-flops, compile the blueprint, save it, import the character blueprint into the scene, and set the character's location to 0. This is because if we import our character in the MetaTailor app, our character will not be visible. Our character is now ready for export. Simply choose it, then click the export option, pick the location, and save it. Now open the browser, look for the MetaHuman MetaTailor and create an account. I already have one. I'm simply logging in and downloading the application. Once installed, simply launch the launcher. Click the play option, it will open the MetaTailor. Make a new project now and name it. Choose the avatar option under Import, then import our character that we exported from the Unreal Engine. Don't alter any settings. Instead, proceed to the following step and choice. Following, import the character's clothing. You may either make your own clothing or choose from platforms like CG Trader. I'm going to download and import this from CG Trader. Simply select the clothing and accessories, then import the stuff we downloaded. Even still, it would be best to use textures here since they will highlight the differences between the character and the clothing. You may adjust these settings based on the item, and it will provide the optimal transformations based on the items. We need this for the entire body, so I'm going with this option and moving on to the next stage. Following the selection of the entire body, we can now scale the clothing here and even modify its position to better fit our character positions. Once adjusted, simply confirm and begin using the posture mesh. Simply move the arrows till the inside of the body is covered. If the character is slightly visible, and it will automatically adapt once you click the following step. Wait a little while, it will adjust the clothes according to the body fittings. Now that it's finished, you can verify that everything is flawless because the inside of the body is invisible. Now, select the export file name and path in the export settings. Don't alter anything, simply export it. Launch the Blender now, then insert our exported file here. After importing, choose the armature and clothing by pressing the Shift key, then export the FBX file. Check the items you have selected now and turn off the Add Leaf Bones in the armature section. Disable the animation, export the file. Import the clothes into Unreal Engine and open the character blueprint. Next, pick the torso and insert the clothing skeletal mesh into the torso skeletal mesh asset, and compile and save it. And that's it, guys. You can quickly make these kinds of clothes, and you can even run animations in them without any issues. You can also use these processes to make any character's clothing. This is the character that I made using the same method. I'll provide the download link for both outfits there. Thank you for watching, and subscribe to my channel.